Hey guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Jennifer UK. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious and healthy weight gain shake. If you're interested, don't skip any part and keep watching. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video, and give this video a thumbs up and also leave us a comment. So let's quickly dive into this video. So guys, here are the ingredients we need to do this weight gain shake. This is my milk, 1 glass of milk. This is my oatmeal, my banana. You can see it's ripe, so we're not going to be using all, so we'll just pick like 2 or 3 depending on the quantity you want. Then my peanut butter and dates for sweetening, just work like a sweetener. So we'll go ahead and remove the nuts inside. Let's do this together. So guys, I will go ahead and pour my oats inside my blender, my peanut butter, so I'll be adding just 2 spoons of peanut butter. 2 spoons should be enough for this quantity. I'm going to give it like 2 spoons. This is okay. So I'm going to add my dates. I'm going to add my bananas. You can see 10 pieces. Make sure your bananas is ripe. I'll add another one. The last one. I like the fact that all the ingredients I used here are natural except the peanut butter. You can use groundnut to substitute the peanut butter. And the last thing is my milk. So what I want to do is to, since I didn't soak my oats before now, I'm going to allow this to soak a little bit before I'll on the blender. I'll be right back. So guys, I have to do the blending behind the camera because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm done blending and it's very smooth and thick. Very smooth and thick. I just love the way it came out. I love it. It's gonna be very nutritious. Just look at it. Just look at how thick it is. I love this weight gain shake. So go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try it and subscribe if you like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified next time I post a new video, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so I'll go ahead and enjoy my own weight gain shake. I'll go go ahead and enjoy. Another thing I want you to know is that if you're trying to gain weight with this recipe, just make sure that you don't substitute to your main meal. Make sure you eat normal, and then this is going to be added to it. Do have a wonderful day ahead.